In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Apple Music on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open Play Store, and in Play Store, use the search bar to look for Apple Music. Once you found Apple Music, just tap on it like that to see the informations, and then once you've made sure it's from the company Apple, tap on Install to start the download. If you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, it will download pretty quickly, but if it's slow, it may take a while, so you'll have to wait patiently. Once installed, you have the option of opening it from your Play Store, or you can go back to the home screen and in the apps drawer, look for the app. So select Apple Music. Then what you want to do is read through the license agreement and make sure you understand what you're complying to when you're using the app. So once you've read through all of this, tap on agree. Next, select continue and then tap on sign in. When you select sign in, you'll have to enter in your Apple ID and password. And if you don't have one, you can always create one. So enter in your Apple ID and password. And once you've signed in or created your Apple ID, you'll be taken back to the music page. Now here you'll be given a list of music genres that you can listen to, radio stations, podcasts, it's all up to you. So you also have the option of browsing. You can tap on the radio, and you can also have library where it will have a list of all your music that you previously had. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.